Welcome back to Tech Packs. Today we're exploring a fascinating project, the mobile app-controlled prosthetic hand. This innovation aims to transform prosthetics by closely mimicking human hand movements with precision and responsiveness. By leveraging the powerful ESP32 microcontroller, media pipe for motion recognition, and advanced servo control, this project promises to redefine assistive technologies. Let's get started. The prosthetic hand functions by combining advanced motion recognition with precise control mechanisms. Using the media pipe framework, the mobile app captures hand movements through hand recognition technology. These movements are then processed and converted into control signals, which are sent to the prosthetic hand. Communication with the prosthetic is enabled through two modes: Bluetooth for direct pairing and MQTT for network-based connectivity. The ESP32 microcontroller ensures real-time processing and execution of these commands, allowing the prosthetic hand to replicate complex human hand motions with high accuracy and responsiveness. Components used. Now let's delve into the key components that make this prosthetic hand possible. ESP32 microcontroller acts as the central processing unit, handling communication and control tasks. Servo motors drive the fingers and joints to replicate human hand movements accurately. Power supply provides stable power to the ESP32 and servo motors for consistent performance. 3D printed hand frame, a lightweight yet durable structure to house all components and ensure natural movement. Circuit diagram explanation. The circuit diagram outlines the intricate connections required to bring this prosthetic hand to life. The servo motors are connected to specific PWM pins on the ESP32 for fine-tuned control of each finger. The power supply is split to ensure both the ESP32 and servo motors receive the required voltage. The frame securely houses all electronic and mechanical components, maintaining balance and functionality. Code explanation. Now let's go over the code for controlling a robotic hand with an ESP32 using both Bluetooth and MQTT. First, we include key libraries: ESP32 Servo for servo control, Bluetooth Serial for Bluetooth communication, Wi-Fi for internet connection, and PubSub client for MQTT messaging. We define variables for the servo motor pins and positions. The servos are connected to pins 12, 14, 27, 15, and 33 for each finger. The pose 1, pose 2, etc. store the initial servo angles. In the setup function, we initialize Bluetooth, connect to Wi-Fi, and set up the MQTT client. Each servo is attached to its respective pin, and we set the initial servo positions. The receive data from Glove's Bluetooth function reads Bluetooth data to update the servo positions when data is received. The callback function processes incoming MQTT messages and updates the servo positions similarly. The update servo function sends the updated servo positions to the motors to move the robotic hand. In the loop, the code checks for Bluetooth and MQTT data, then updates the servo positions accordingly. If the MQT connection drops, the reconnect MQT function ensures it reconnects to the broker. That's a quick overview of how the code works. The robotic hand can be controlled using either Bluetooth or MQTT. That's all about the code explanation. Now let's see the demonstration how it works. Power on the prosthetic hand. Open the mobile app provided with the project. Choose your preferred communication mode, Bluetooth or MQTT. For Bluetooth, pair the app with the prosthetic hand to establish a direct connection. For MQTT, simply use the default settings to connect via the network. Once connected, the prosthetic hand is ready to mirror your hand movements, providing an intuitive and responsive user experience. Demonstration. Here's how the ESP32 prosthetic hand works in action. Launch the mobile app and position your hand within the camera's view. The app captures your hand gestures in real time using media pipe recognition. Each gesture is analyzed and translated into movement commands for the prosthetic hand. Observe the fingers and joints of the prosthetic hand, replicate your gestures with precision. Test both Bluetooth and MQTT modes to demonstrate the flexibility and reliability of the communication setup. Showcase the prosthetic hand's smooth transitions and responsiveness to various hand movements. And there you have it. The mobile app-controlled prosthetic hand combines cutting-edge technology with practical design to deliver a responsive and intuitive assistive device. From media pipe gesture recognition to dual communication modes, This project showcases the potential of modern prosthetics. Thank you for joining us in exploring this incredible innovation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest projects. Visit our website to purchase the complete package. Browse, select items, and click on Buy Now. Fill the required fields, then securely proceed to checkout. And you're ready to begin your project journey. Explore our site now to get started. Thank you for watching our video.